Photon Solana tutorial, how to use Photon Solana. In this video, we are going to be talking about Photon Solana and how you can use this incredible platform to snipe and sell proper tokens at lightning speed using great pipe charts, and it's great for all of your crypto trading that you want to do. It's a great crypto exchange website that specifically works around in the Solana blockchain, and we're going to be going through all of its features in great detail. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. Now, to start things off, what you're going to do to make sure you have a seamless process in this is you're going to make sure that you have a Phantom wallet. Now, a Phantom wallet is basically Solana's very own wallet that you can download from phantom.app easily. Now, you can download it through any extension. It could be a Firefox extension, Chrome, Brave, Edge. So in my case, I did Chrome. We got it from our Chrome store over here, and now it's added right into our extensions over here. From there, obviously, you're going to open it up. From there, obviously, you're going to open it up, and once you open it up from there, what's going to happen is you're going to go straight into Photon, and you're going to click on Connect Wallet, from where it's going to take you to this section where it's going to load you into the connection system. Now, when it takes you through the whole processing, you're going to click on Confirm, and from there on out, your wallet from Phantom is collected to Photon Solana. Okay, now here it says generate and download your Photon trading wallet, and you can generate your own private key through this. So here it gives you your trading wallet address, and it also gives you a private key. So you're going to slide, and this reveals your whole private key that you're going to make sure to copy. Okay, do make sure that you have copied this, because if you don't, and if you don't save it, that could cause issues for you in the future, because this is the private key that allows you to signify and, differentiate your wallet with others. Now, from there on out, here it says confirm your Photon trading wallet balance. So you can check the balance through the link that you've added, and once you've checked the balance, you're going to click on continue. And once we click on continue, it's going to bring us straight into Photon Solana's proper blockchain and system. So first of all, over here, we're in new pairs. Now, these are basically token pairs, okay? And it shows you the updates from the last 24 hours that are going on. So we can actually see a variety of tokens right now. So we have the Pharaoh token, we have the cat on trending, and it keeps, fluctuating up and down, as you can clearly see. Now, moving on, what you can also do is you can filter different things out for yourself. So let's say if you want mint authority disabled, you can do that. You can freeze authority disabled. Then there's LP burning, top 10 holders, and you can get at least one social with your tokens as well. It all depends on how you plan on working along with these currencies and tokens. And it also shows you different analytics. Now, if you want to quickly buy one of these, what you can do is you can just click on quick buy. And what this will do is it will quickly take the token and put it straight into your wallet. Okay, so that's one of the ways. Now, moving on, you can also trade the different currencies. So on Photon Solana, you get Ethereum, Solana, Blast, and Base. Now, a lot of people also trade in Ethereum because that's the type of wallet that they're, along working with. Now, when it comes to this, when it comes to Ethereum, basically you're going to connect your MetaMask wallet, or if it comes to Blast, you're going to connect your Blast wallet. So just like this, you're going to change the currencies according to your working. All right. Now, moving on from new pairs, we're going to go into trending. All right. Now, in trending, you can see the top 100 trending token pairs by transactions within selected time frame. All right. Now, over here, we can see we have Pepe coin. Okay. So the Pepe coin, as you can see, created 6 days ago. Now, the liquidity rate on this is 727 Solana, which is $126,000. And the initial liquidity, which was basically from what it started off, was 158, which is $27,000. Okay. So imagine if the liquidity right now is 126,000 and it started off from 27,000, this coin or this token is going pretty well in the market. And moving on, you can see the market cap. So the market will cap it at $559.7 thousand because that's the most it can go in its blockchain. Then you have the different tradings going on. So the pipeline goes 90% up, 60% down. Basically, that's a percentage markup of how the token or currency is doing. You can see the volume of trading that has been done. And moving on, you can just get a whole lot more audit results over here. Okay, so again, you can quick buy these using the different currencies you have. Now, obviously, right now I'm switched over to Solana. Now, if you want to go ahead and add Solana into your wallet so you can easily go ahead and trade it, what you're going to do is you're going to click on this top right section over here where it says transfer funds. And once you click on transfer funds, what it's going to do is it's going to bring you here and you're going to click on input amount. Let's say I want to input 100 Solana into my wallet. Okay. Priority fee, you can give them a different type of fee if you want to, and you're going to click on deposit. Now, what this does is it opens up your Phantom wallet, and any type of currency that you have in your Phantom wallet will be converted into Solana and added to your Photon Solana wallet. Okay, so you're just going to confirm all these things, and once everything is done, the transaction is going to be set, and that is basically how you're going to transfer funds into your wallet. All right. Now, moving on, you can go into holdings. Now, this is where you're going to see all the tokens that you've bought or sold through Photon, okay? So it could be through your wallet, it could be through Photon's very own exchange, okay? It definitely depends on how you have been managing your analytical sense when it comes to Photon Solana. Then moving on, you can also go into your leaderboard, and in the leaderboard, you can see the different wallets with the best amount of points. So right now, as you can see, I'm not even in the rankings because I haven't started trading yet, but you can actually see all these people in the leaderboards, and the leaderboard is a pretty fun thing because basically in the top 100 traders in this leaderboard, they're going to get this much Solana points distributed in them, which is pretty incredible, right? And these are the missions that they give you, like make your first trade, refer a friend, like an RT this tweet. So basically it goes on and on like that. And this is how you're going to be using your Solana. You can also log in with your phone if you want to. So you can basically install Photon on your phone. And once you install Photon Solana on your phone, you can easily go ahead and add it and use your phone as a trader every now and then. Because obviously you can't take your laptop anywhere or everywhere because it's only going to be in your room. Your phone can be with you anywhere because it's a mobile device, right? So basically that's the main idea of Solana. You know, it's pretty simple. All you have to do is connect a wallet with your Solana, which is basically your Phantom Solana wallet. And once you have connected that wallet, you're going to connect it to your Photon because that is how you are going to be depositing Solana from one place to another. And once you get Solana into your Photon, you are going to go ahead and do trading as you please. And the best part about trading with Solana is that the blockchain is very less when it comes to saturation. And that basically leads to better trades, okay? And if you want to get high into trades, obviously, you can go into the different currencies. Like, let's say I'm going to go on this one, Pepe. And once we come over here, we can actually see the pipeline or the pipe chart graphs. And if you are a good trader or you want to become a good trader, you will want to know how to use pipeline charts because this is the best way to know how your cryptocurrency is doing and how you are going to make good sales off of some crypto. Okay, so it's generally a pretty fun thing to have for yourself, and you can use this anytime, any place, anywhere, and you can get live analytics of a certain token or a certain currency as you are on the go, which is pretty incredible in my opinion. So you can see the daily rate or even the by second rate. So you can see how many people bought, how many people sold, how many people bought it. You know, many people bought it for, $60, $62. Many people sold it for $62. Some people sold it for $1. And you can see the different Solana price markups that they are getting. So generally, this is how we are going to do trading. And this is how we're going to use Photon Solana. Now, if you enjoyed this video, please do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, do let me know down in the comments below and I'll be making more for you. Till then, that is all from me and I'll be seeing all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.